So the question says surface tension of water at 20 degrees is 0.075 Newton per meter. The difference in level of water surface within and outside of open-ended capillary tube of 1 mm internal bore inserted at water surface would be. So here surface tension value is given, but nothing is given whether this 1 mm is diameter of this bore or is it radius of bore. Okay, so we'll see now how to solve this question. So the options are 5 mm, 10 mm, 15 mm and 20 mm. So this question is from the topic of surface tension. So let's see the solution for this. So the correct answer for this is C if we assume some things. So the formula that we have used for calculating is H is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by gamma into D. So this H is called as rise in capillary tube. So you can see in this figure. So this is a water tub in which the liquid is present. So let's say this liquid is water and this tube is called as capillary tube, and the rise in liquid in capillary tube is denoted by H. Sigma is the surface tension of the liquid. So in this case it is water and this value is given to us. Theta is angle of contact. It depends upon different types of liquids and the surface in which it is in contact. So for this question, for water it is 0 degrees. Okay, and the last is gamma, that is unit weight of liquid. So gamma in this case will be gamma for water, and diameter of tube is D. So these are the things which are present in the formula. Now we will see what things are given to us and then we will substitute the values and solve the question. So here we are given sigma value, that is 0.075 Newton per meter. So let's say this internal bore radius is given to us. Okay, so this is our assumption. I will tell you why we have taken this. So if radius is 1, so diameter will be 2 mm. So diameter is 2 mm. Okay, so let's write the formula here. H is equal to 4 sigma cos theta divided by gamma into D. So let's substitute the values one by one. So it is 4 into sigma value is 0.075. Theta value we have discussed, theta is 0 for water. So we will be taking here cos 0 divided by gamma value for water is 9810. So this is a standard value that you have to remember, and diameter is 2 mm. So we'll write here 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so if you solve this, you will get the answer as 15 mm. Okay, so in this question nothing is specified about the given information, that is this 1 mm. Fine, so there should be more clarity whether this 1 mm is radius or diameter. If you take it as the radius, then your answer will be 30 mm, which is not present in the option. Okay, so if we take this as 2 mm, that is radius is 1 mm, so hence diameter will be 2 mm, then we will get the option which is present in the given question.